Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Chief Minister launch Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme in Bernihut. Give us new salary by coming Christmas season to ask midday meal workers. Drug awareness campaign to organize at Umsling, Patarim. And CRPF camp and Martin are eyesores to Maula youths. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday said that the state through Progress scheme envisions to tap opportunities by ensuring that the farmers earn sustainable livelihood through different livestock farming activities. Launching the ambitious flagship program for the farmers, Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme under National Livestock Mission at Bernihut in Riboy, the Chief Minister said that the government, through different welfare schemes, is successfully providing income generation to opportunities and economic prosperity of the farmers. He informed that the flagship program Progress has been conceptualized by the government to ensure prosperity of grassroots families through livestock intervention, which includes piggery, poultry, goatry, etc. Under Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme Phase 1, government has earmarked Rs 15.18 crore and Rs 25 crore for Phase 2. Under the scheme, 4 piglets, 3 female and 1 male piglets will be distributed to farmers to promote pig breeding to provide regular income to farmer. This scheme is envisaged to benefit 6,000 poor and marginal farmers and also increase pork production in the state.
The people who have to go through large hardship, especially in the last 2 years, because of COVID, these poorest of the poor families had to face even more challenges. And it is the duty of this government, or for any government, to help, to support and be there for these citizens and these families who have suffered for a very long time, and especially in the last 2 years. And today's program of Progress is another step towards ensuring that the livelihood and the earnings of the farmers at the grassroots level further go up.
After a meeting with Dr. D.B.R. Tiwari, Commissioner Secretary Education, and Shri Ambrose C.H. Marak, Director Education Department, who assured leaders and members of midday meal employees on August 31st that there is every hope and possibility that the Finance Department and the State Cabinet will approve their demand for enhancement of the salary, a decision was agreed that they should call off the agitational programs and go back to their works. Immediately, leaders of midday meal employees call off their agitational programs with condition that if such assurance does not fructify by the coming Christmas season, they will start fresh agitation.
Kalai hajar kabakanthop bat 6,000 naga union government ng sarkar kami pat 8,000 na ka state share na ka state budget. Temanta ka siyong kabasa baro ban kaymandia kaday sa ta ka finance department bat ka planning. Sige ong kia to yangi kadan ka jingkermen ba ka finance kan bat ka cabinet kan sa ay kan ka jingtarang ka jingkerpat ka jongi te hajing aday bat ka way pat ka jingdawa ka jingkerpat ka jongi ban seo na manta khat ar banay kumud ba December ba January nakaliang jongki kiya ong ba kidang wat kilat kalanti hoj ngiday ba hakni jala Meghalaya ngidon kam gikuk ya ka ban pendan ka ban kapisa naman ta ban penkemen por ke Christmas bat ban hit got hit sulat hit uniform te wat kataro ki ong ba kadai ka midday meal scheme na PM portion kadai ka central scheme kala dan ka norms ban si tang shfeu banai ndai kedang ya wat lat kalanti ba hangne ka ni government kadai ban pediang ya ka ni ka jing tarwa ka chung.
with the aim to spread a message against the dangers and social destruction to society and individuals brought about by drug addiction and alcoholism, particularly amongst youth in rural areas. The youth organization of Umsning Padarim organized public awareness campaign for the youths and parents of this village and surrounding areas on August 31st. Two renowned resource persons, Reverend D. Jamir from Wisdom Center, Umdihar, who specialize in lecturing on drug addiction and alcoholism, and Ms. S. Rinksai of Meghalaya Police, specialist on prevention of children from sexual offences act, child abuse and illicit trafficking, enlightened the audience with their expertise. The presence and participation of elders who included Sri Jason S. Maulong, local MLA, as chief guest, Sri Rocky Kalla, Chairman Umsning Town Dorbar, Rangbashnong, Sri B. Rintatyang, President Youth Organization Umsning Patarim, Sri S. Lapang, and huge response from local audience has greatly added value and meaning to those who attended the campaign program. To mark the occasion, awards were also bestowed to 26 students of the village who have performed well in their respective examinations this year.
Alcoholics does not have a drink problem. They have a dream problem. Kim tho bai bolba hai habadan kya drugs improve ngam jolo tho hagai bumdan gajingi yagalawai where there is no dream people perish kiwangi yagalawai ka hospital gani namta gi nompa dimdai namta gi phumra bu yok khya wisno postal ka drugs no blai ka jelai namta ki tigi bapang sulan blai di drugs Nagong kisah nonton di enjoyment mo, tama hadin din kadang kajingpang. Mentar keras na materi pun dia, begini adik. Kawai mga ngawat bahkan rai, balai kipoi segala. Badharat kawai, belum common ha. Kendai nak semua kipon poin sih kena, kipon terkuat.
There are two locations that are eyesores to the youth of Meghalaya Township, the CRPF camp at the Art and Culture campus in Meghalaya Nongkwar and the Martin dumping ground at Mauyong, which were demanded for shifting to other locations for a good long time now, but they still stay put where they are. On August 31st, Sri Samuel Biam met Sri Sanbor Shillong, Minister for Arts and Culture, to remind him for the shifting of the CRPF camp from Meghalaya Nongkwar to some other locations. The minister had expressed that he had tried his level best to shift the camp to the areas of New Shillong Township. He informed the youth leader that even this proposal is objected by the locality concerned. The minister assured the youth leader that he will try again to find ways to solve the problem.
Kadang ba kalau kerja betul dan betul jempi. Kerana kerja semua ini bokong sana kalau bayo CRPF kan mereka mengelak demand kalau ba kita bershifting, kita bershifting. Equality ba kan nomor su kan nomor kerja kerja mah kan nomor su kerja yang ni. Ikan ba kan dah kerja setu jemur lah kadang nak kau ikan kepada yang ibu persyaru. Tapi kerana sekarang bahkan dan kerja yang baik kerja setu jemur kadang bahkan lo kerja mentoy dan tak kipai nak sama-sama kerja mulai kunjuk kerja labar kau ba ai betul CRPF kan shift away kadang ba ketipat nyok penangkam sedek kau ba izin dekam cepat ba bagi kipai nak sama-sama kerja mulai dia tunduk mata. Kini kerja anggur jemi kemanggilan di mana di kerana sekarang bahkan kampanye baik renti lada kemudian suku nunu kerja jemaah ni tai. Kadang kerja anggur kerja.
On the same day, the youth leader met Sri Snyao Bhalang Dhar, Minister Urban Affairs, and reminded him of his assurance to shift Martin to some other places. The minister assured him that he will call again the meeting with leaders of the youth organization of Meghalaya when the new Chief Executive Officer of Shillong Municipal Board assumes office shortly.
Tadi ni isu COVID baga Martin tadi kuat pemerintah kalian tu ilu inkran ni kamat kenang bagan dai kerja mentoi ba ngim sumban hundi banyak ni mentoi simat tadi ban politik segala inkran nak tak interest ni sama-sama terus mulai bagi jelah ni berkuat lada sarkar telak deploy ni kadang kerja mentoi juga mentoi juga sama-sama kadang kerja mentoi hiu ya ke sarkar jelah kadang burung lu sarkar jelah ada gila deploy ni kata kadang kerja anut kerja ni humility bagi ni yang kalian jumi kat gila ni kata kebuar kabila banyak keren bilang persang bagi keren ikan bagi orang nikmat yang kinsim khalang yang kamat but ikan lu begitu kubri batura tiba badan kerja tu aja karo subhaban an pet bagalat keleti ke di bandlong kalau baik berhenti ke kampanye baik reti kenapa kenumpu je.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.